Hey guys, what's up? All of my friends and families who are living in rural Jamaica, we got you. We're sending your packages down. But guys, today I want to say a special thank you to all of you Jamaicans who are living overseas. Whether you're in the US, whether you're in Canada, Japan, I don't know, maybe you're in China. I just want to say a special thank you for sending items to your loved ones here in Jamaica and giving us the opportunity to serve. It's easy, guys. If you're not living in Jamaica, you can still use our service, right? All you have to do is sign up. There's a link somewhere here. Click on that link, sign up. After you sign up, you're gonna get a mailbox address that is in the US. All you need to do is shop on any.com version of your favorite websites, and we are gonna get those items and ship them to Jamaica and get them delivered to your loved ones. And listen, the good part about it is that your loved ones don't have to spend any money. You can pay for the item, ship it, pay for the shipment, and your loved ones will receive it here in Jamaica. How they going to receive it? We are going to send it down. Alright guys, so go ahead, click on the link, join us today. And enough respect to all you Jamaicans who are sending items back to your loved ones here in Jamaica. The majority of this shipment here is for your family members. I really respect you for that, alright? So catch you guys later, love, alright?